How do I activate my T-Mobile SIM card?
Hello there, welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how to activate your T-Mobile SIM card. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth and easy activation process.
What you will need.
Before starting, make sure you have 1. The T-Mobile SIM card that you want to activate. 2. The phone in which you want to insert the SIM card. 3. The activation code provided with your SIM card.
How to insert the SIM card.
The first step is inserting the SIM card into your phone. The method varies depending on your phone model, but here's a general guide. 1. Locate the SIM tray on your phone, usually on the side of your device. 2. Insert the SIM ejection tool, or a small paper clip, into the hole next to the SIM tray. 3. Pull out the SIM tray and place your T-Mobile SIM card on the tray. Make sure the gold contacts on the card are facing down. 4. Insert the SIM tray back into your phone.
How to activate the SIM card.
After the SIM card has been inserted, now you can activate it. 1. Turn on your phone and ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. 2. Go to the T-Mobile activation website from your phone's browser. 3. Enter the activation code provided with your SIM card. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. If you're transferring your old number to the new SIM card, it might take some time for the process to complete.
What if the activation doesn't work?
If you've followed these steps and the activation doesn't work, call T-Mobile customer service for help. Their representatives can help diagnose the problem and assist with the activation process. And that's it. We hope this video has been helpful in assisting you with activating your T-Mobile SIM card. If you have any more questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to T-Mobile's customer support. Enjoy your newly activated service.